Well, hello everyone, I'm back. The new proud American conservative, yes, with more important info not too many of you can stomach. Got my beach mobile ready to go with the tent, going to the beach, gonna set it up for the fam. We're gonna try to enjoy the beach while we can before it's shut down here in Republican-run state of Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, it's one party against the middle class. It's one party against we the people. It's been like this for a long time. Nothing has changed for better besides for worse. This is why I'm making these videos, to wake people up, to help you see things through a different lens, to think for yourself, and just watch what these politicians are doing instead of what they are saying. And right now, the latest, what we all know what happened in the last couple of months with Corona bailouts. Who got bailed out? Not you. It was companies like Apple, companies like whatever, cruise line companies, airlines, all of these big corporations got bailed out. But no, not you, not the middle class. You gotta obey, you gotta wear that mask and just don't ask any questions, right? Yes, it's a cruel world out there. This is reality, this is what's going on. And it's just the beginning, what's about to happen. I've been warning people for a long time. I have a very big following base on Parler, P-A-R-L-E-R, Parler, where I've been talking about dollar declining, dollar devaluation, meaning your purchasing power being gone because of money printing. I've been talking about this since late 2018, and not too many people ever responded besides making fun of me. Like, what is this guy talking about? We are in a booming economy. But I had just several people on Parler that were, sending me messages in my personal inbox on Parler saying, hey, thank you for letting us know what is going on. Now I see it. It's unbelievable. I couldn't believe it, but it just really made sense. So I need you guys to wake more people up. It's not easy for me to share these videos where I go under the conservative, which I am, but then I talk about that Trump is the swamp. So conservatives run for their lives and they start, calling me names and all of this. You should see what kind of messages I get when I say stuff like this, when I point out the obvious, because people can't handle the truth. And then, of course, liberals see conservative, just the word conservative, and they have to run for their life immediately. So if you find this channel interesting, if you think it's helping people up, share it, like the video, make a comment. Okay? That's at least I'm asking from you to do. I'm not just ranting. Yes, I'm going to go on rants sometimes. We all do. But I have solutions, okay? So, number one, what do? Bet against the dollar. The dollar is betting against you. You got to hedge off. You still have to have dollars, don't get me wrong. But at least 20% has to be in hard, tangible assets. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just really good at what I do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and how I'm preparing. And I lived through hyperinflation in 1992 till 1994, and I lived in a civil war from 1990 till 1996. I do have experience in this, and I feel like I'm fortunate enough to do, because I don't think I would have been ready for any of this, what's happening right now. So I'm warning you, the American people and people globally. This what's going on right now, this scamdemic, this is where the true invisible enemy is now issuing their final order to wipe all the middle class off the planet Earth. It is happening right now. If you see your stock market, your portfolio, let's say your 401k, if you are in the market, going up, it's not going up as fast as the dollar is going down. So if it doesn't crash, if you don't see a big fat zero, you're gonna have to spend a lot more dollars to buy the same thing that you bought yesterday, and they're gonna tax you through the nose. And why do I say you? They're gonna tax me as well, but at least I'm aware of it and I'm preparing, I'm preserving wealth. by holding physical gold in different locations for security reasons, and definitely a gram or two with me on the go. Fit in your wallet. Should see a gram of gold. It's worth $80 right now, just one little tiny gram. You can buy a fancy suit back in the 70s for one gold coin. You can buy a pretty nice suit today for $1,750. It's not 10,000 or money, but it's still pretty good. So that's what I call by preserving wealth. If you are interested in how to make some money moves, how to jump in and out of the market, injecting your cash into certain sectors, taking profits out, then using 20% of those profits into buying real money, which is gold and silver. Yes, platinum too. I like platinum, but I'm really big now on silver because it is so undervalued. What can you buy? What asset can you buy today that it costs? Listen to this. I want to make sure I say this correctly. Silver was over $50, right around $50 range. I believe it was 2010 late or 2011, right around that range. It was $50 an ounce for the spot price of silver. Today is under $20. What asset can you buy from 10 years ago today for that much cheaper? Yes, silver is an asset. That cell phone you are holding in your hand right now, there is pure silver inside of it. They cannot make it without it. Computer at work, pure silver. Dental offices use pure silver. And a lot of that silver, when they throw these machines, this equipment away, it doesn't get saved up. It's gone. So as much as silver gets mined out of the ground, a lot more, about 10 to 1 than gold, gold is not touched. It's opened, the box, put it in a safe place, and that's it. It's money, it preserves wealth. Silver is used for everyday purposes. So just letting you know, that's my pick. I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just really good at what I do, and I know where the trends are. Yes, I was in crypto pretty early too, but I also like to take profits and get back in on the dips as well. So share my videos if you find this informative, and remember, it's one party against all of us. Unless you are in a 1% bracket, then you got nothing to worry about, because you will be protected, and you will be protected well. God bless you all, and my stock picks are coming out in the next day or so. Talk soon.